Hey folks, today we will be learning how to repair an XLR cable, a common problem in the studio and on the road. The first step is to make sure your workspace is clean and free of clutter. Next, plug in your soldering iron so it can preheat while you complete the next step. Next, lay out all parts needed for your repair. Let's get to it. Take your cable and use the cable tool to strip the outer insulation. Take the bare copper wire and twist it into one piece. Next, strip the insulation off the end of the other smaller black and white wires. Place the outer end boot over the end of the wire. Place the connector inside the vise. Now comes the process of tinning the tips. This makes for better heat conductivity between the gun and the parts and makes for an easier repair. Place the bare wire, your ground, on the number 1 post of the XLR end, and hold the iron on the 2 parts for a few seconds until the solder melts and joins the 2 ends together. Do the same with the remaining wires, black on number 2 and white on number 3. To air cool for a couple minutes, then bring the protective boot up the wire to cover the exposed ends. Now, find the tab on the connector and match it up with a corresponding groove to the metal casing. Push together and screw tight. Now simply repeat the same process on the other end of the cable. And here we go, your brand new XLR cable. Now you have the power to keep all your gigs going non-stop. Keep it safe, ladies and gentlemen, and keep rocking.